How to set up the Discord auto mode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Auto mode is also available in Discord mobile app, but the setup and configuration is quite simple. So first of all, head over to your Discord application and log in. Once that is done, from the left side panel, select the server in which you'd like to set up the auto mode. Once that is done, tap on your server's name, which is at the top, and then go to the gear or the settings icon to open the page. Now that you do so, you will see an option called moderation. Tap on it. You will see the auto mode section where you can toggle off or on and adjust the basic settings. You can also enable or disable the basic filters like links or image. However, if you'd like to have advanced options like custom triggers or more details action, it would be better configured on desktop. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.